In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper blade on this Nissan Pathfinder. Let's get started. To replace this, lift up the wiper arm. It does not lift more than this, but this should be enough to allow you to pull the wiper blade backwards like this and then push it straight down towards the windshield. There we go. It should unhook. Slide it off. Don't let go of this wiper arm, even though it is plastic. It's not good to have it hit the glass. Now you would take your new wiper blade, and in this case you can see how it's supposed to fit around the arm. So I want to make sure I put it that way, not the other way. Slide it in the same way that the old one came out and pull it outwards this time. There we go. That's clipped on. Wiper blade is installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.